Can you hear the birds singing? Why can't you see me? Well, I exist and you're right here. Where do you think we're in the clear? Where do you believe you are? Oh no, that's not the North Star. But you exist and you're right here. But what's here and whose words dear? Stare at the night sky. Is all perceived black, and see the wind sway the trees, but you don't feel it on your back. You don't feel it on your back. You lost the trail 'cause you drug your tongue through dropped crumbs. Oh, but broken lines held in palms would suggest it won't be long. Can you feel the stars vibrating through you and I, everything? But you cover up your ears and deafen my call, and now you can't hear the birds singing at all. And when you stare at the night sky, is all you perceive black. See the wind sway the trees, but you don't feel it on your back. You don't feel it on your back. You don't feel it on your back. You don't feel it.